Shall we see the Christmas house? Here's all our Christmas cards.
Can we see it in that picture?
And here's our Christmas tree. Uh-oh, who's coughing over there? Who is that?
Yesterday, Peachy and Froggy and Penny and Peachy wondered what that noise is. Maybe it was Daddy hugging to up a little bit.
I bet that's what it was.
Yeah. What was that noise downstairs?
What was that noise?
Yeah.
Do you know what it was?
Yeah.
What was it?
Yeah. Daddy, what was that? What was that?
I think it was Daddy and Grandpa talking.
Yeah.